Hello everyone, welcome on YouTube channel Sethi. In today's session 3 of Electrostatics, these topics are going to be discussed applicable for all these. In session 1 and session 2, basic concepts has been clear. You can go through the channel Sethi. Now let's start the question. Two particles A and B having charges 20 microcoulomb and minus 5, they had fixed with a separation of 5 centimeter. At what position a third charge particle should be placed so that it does not experience a net electric force? Means one charge is this, one charge is this, two positions there separated by distance. Four options are given to you. We have to select one of the options. Its answer can be given orally, right? But before writing the direct formula trick, let's discuss the concept applicable and how it has been arrived, right? Now, in this case, let Q1 and Q2 are two charges. Then, there are two cases when both Q1 and Q2 are of same sign. Same sign, force at O means outside. Force at I means inside. If we take it to point O, then like charges Q1, Q2 and Q. This will be positive, positive, positive. Then it will be repulsive. This will be repulsive. Negative, negative, positive. This will be attractive. This will be attractive. Right? If we take it negative sign, same will be the same nature. It means if charges are like, both forces are in same direction. So null point will not be received. Right? When both Q and Q2 are same sign, force at O in same direction, whether Q is positive or negative, right? Force at I, endpoint. To find it at I, one is, in this case, at point I, what will happen? Repulsive, repulsive, positive के लिए, तो उसके लिए attractive, attractive, opposite directions. Opposite direction means opposite directions. Direction means null point will be in between. When charges are like, when charges are opposite of nature, then at O, one is positive, negative, this is positive. This will be repulsive, this will be attractive, opposite nature. Similarly for negative, right? The force at O for opposite signs will be opposite directions, and in this case, same direction. At point I, one is positive, one is negative. Then Q. We put Q here plus charge. Repulsive and attractive, same direction. So the null point will be when Q and Q2 are opposite sign. Null point will be outside. Null point will be outside, right? Now, let's start the question. Now, these are the two. So, this is point O. We know that this point is O, right? At a distance x. Then, force on this due to this, force on this will be equal in nature and opposite direction. Positive, repulsive, attractive, opposite direction. So, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q 20 into 10 to the minus 6 upon 5 plus x whole square equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 5 into 10 to the minus 6 upon x whole square. Meter में करोड़ cancel हो जाएगा, ठीक है? This goes. So this comes out to be 4. 4 upon 5 plus x whole square equal to 1 over x square. 5 plus x equal to plus minus 2x. Considering positive sign, 5 plus x equal to 2x. X comes out to be 5 centimeter. Right? We know the answer will be outside. X is positive, correct, 1. So answer will be 5 centimeter from this one. If we take negative, 5 plus x equal to minus 2x, x equal to minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3. So this is not the correct answer, this is the correct answer. Right? Now, direct formula will be, direct formula is separation is d at a distance x, d upon under root q2 upon q1 plus minus 1. Right? This is the formula. D is the separation q1, q2. अब इसमें starting में q1 magnitude value should be q2. Then it is possible, right? Positive. Positive is for inside and negative for outside. Outside कब होगा? जब unlike charges होंगे, unlike charges. And this will be like charges. This will be for like charges. You put in the formula directly. D is the 5 centimeter. 5 upon under root 20 upon 5 minus 1. So 5 upon 4, 2 minus 1, that is 5 centimeter. Right? So correct answer is at 5 centimeter from minus 5 on the right hand side. Means x will be is towards the side which is smaller in magnitude. Right? Now, next question. Question is, two identical charged spheres are suspended by a string of equal length. The strings make an angle theta with each other when suspended in water. The angle remains the same. If the density of matter of the sphere is 1.5, dielectric constant will be, we have to fill in the blanks. Question is taken from JEE in 2024. Its answer of this question can be given orally, right? Orally when the question is direct one. But before giving the answer question, I will develop that formula which is applicable directly. In case of slight twisting, that formula will be failed. Therefore, I will request go through the complete question. Then finally, I will write the direct formula here. Right? Let's start. Lami's theorem. In this case, applicable is Lami's theorem. O, A, B, these are the two charges, identical charges. Say this is Q, this is Q. Electrostatic repulsive force. Weight is acting vertically downward. Weight is acting tension in the string. Lami's theorem is applicable when three concurrent forces concurrent is acting at a point. Three concurrent are in equilibrium. Three concurrent forces are in equilibrium, right? Then Lami's theorem is applicable. In this case, this is weight W, this is tension T. This complete angle is theta. So this will be theta by 2. So length is L. This length is L, this length is L. Right? And this point is M. This point is M. Now, Lami's theorem is in terms of angle also. So this is point O, P, Q, R, alpha, beta, gamma, P upon sin alpha, Q upon sin beta, R upon sin gamma. This is in terms of angle, or in terms of size I am giving here, right? Now, according to Lami's theorem, these two forces are in equilibrium. Then weight W. W upon corresponding sides. This will be like this. M equal to F, lattice force. F will be AM. And tension will be AO. Right? Now, rearranging it. F upon W. F upon W will be equal to F of W AM over MO. AM will be equal to, this is AM will be perpendicular of hypotenuse sin theta by 2, L sin theta by 2. And in this case, base support hypotenuse, that will be L cos theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2, right? This is question 1. Now, as earlier, system was in air, and later suspended in water. Suspended in water, say liquid. Say liquid, take as a liquid. In that case, and theta remains same. Theta remains same. Therefore, F air or W air will be equal to F liquid or W liquid. This will be same. We are concluding from this one, right? In that case, F liquid, F air or F liquid will be equal to, this called W air or W liquid. That is M into G over M into G effective. Whenever anything dipped in liquid, weight will be slightly decreased, and that will be the apparent weight according to the Archimedes principle. Now, in that case, to find G effective, according to Archimedes principle, apparent weight M G effective will be equal to weight M into G in air minus upthrust V in density of liquid into G. V means volume of the body inside. As it is dipped completely, so that will be same. Volume of body into density of material of the body, G effective, equal to volume of body into rho m minus Vb rho L into G, density of liquid. Vb goes into G effect, G air, right? This is G air also. G is also. Therefore, G effective will be 1 by, G effective will be rho m taken from 1 minus rho L upon rho G, rho L upon rho m into G. So G effective comes out to be this one. G effective comes out to be this one. Now substituting this one, F first is F air, then F liquid. F air 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q upon, say the separation is x square, then 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q upon x square, separation remains same because angle remains into K, equal to, what is this? F liquid upon W air, M into G air over M into G effective. G effective is G air into 1 minus rho L over rho m, right? This goes, this becomes K. M goes, here goes this. So this on simplification, this comes to rho m over rho m minus rho L. This is the final formula. If you put in the values, this is the final formula. Now, this will be rho m over rho m minus rho L. Density of the material is 1.5, right? 1.5 minus 1, that is comes out to be 1.5 upon 0.5, that is 3. 3 is the answer. I explained the complete question, reason being if slightly twist in the question, then we will fail to answer it, right? Because in case of JEE Advanced, direct questions possibility is very, very rare. Therefore, this is the direct question answer in this case, right? Similarly, in the first question, answer was very straight and direct one. Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.